Oh man, without a doubt, this is gonna be the biggest beater box we have ever done on this channel, guys. This is it. We are at week 26 of Sneaker Mystery Box Friday, halfway point of a year, so you guys know I had to go big on this box. And I mean, big is an understatement, as you guys can see. This is definitely the biggest box we've ever opened on this channel. Not only in terms of size and weight, man, this thing is pretty heavy, but this box is actually $5,000. 5000. That's a lot of money, man. Far and away the most expensive box I've ever bought on this channel. So if you guys are ready to watch the most expensive beater box I've ever opened, ever, then stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with the video of the year of the channel, man. As I said, this one was purchased from Direct Kicks. They're a store out on the East Coast. I'm not exactly sure where they are. Never been out to the East Coast, but I know that we bought a couple of these in the past from them, and they turned out pretty good. And what I do want to mention before we open it up is that Direct Kicks is actually going to be co-running a giveaway. So they're going to be co-sponsoring this giveaway, and they will be giving away a free sneaker mystery box to somebody in the comments, man. So really easy to enter. All you got to do is go to the description. It has all of the information there. But basically, what you're going to have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me and Direct Kicks on Instagram. I'll put the handles over here on the screen, and also follow us on Twitter, and then comment down below done when you guys finish all of that with your social media handles, and that will be your entry to get a free sneaker mystery box, guys. So check that out. Really easy to enter, and one of you guys will be going home with one of these boxes, so that'll be super sick. Anyway, that's enough talking, guys. Let's get into this box. And here we go, guys. Starting it off is shoes with boxes. This one is a Jordan 1 High Strap SPC, size 10.5. Ah, interesting. Okay. So I think these are the Comme des Garçons that just released. So Comme des Garçons Jordan 1 Strap High. It does look like it shows the CDG logo up here, so that is definitely the CDG collab. This sneaker actually just dropped. Obviously, kind of a bit of an extra shoe if you ask me. You guys can see it has a strap over the top here with all these like metal things dangling about. So that's interesting. It does look like this one is a dead stock sneaker though. I believe this one is brand new, which is good because this one will fetch about $300 something in value, I think. It's pretty high up there actually. So good first shoe right there. I was surprised. I saw Jordan 1 High Strap and I was expecting like a brick, but this is actually a good shoe. And so next out, we can actually open this one, which is new. I've never seen this box before. Bottle Rocket actually on the box, and it shows this one is an Asics. So let's see what we got. So these are a pair of Asics that look very patriotic, man. You guys can check it out over here. A lot of red, white, and blue on this sneaker, man. And it kind of reminds me of like a 4th of July, and I guess that's why it's called the Bottle Rocket series. Bottoms over here is half red, half blue. And you guys can see that Gel Light 3 across here, red, white, and blue again. So that is a pretty nice sneaker. I believe that this one is also dead stock, so that's great. And it also comes with this stuff over here, where I guess they're like little pins that show like an Asics sneaker. It looks like this one is a collab with Villa, and also that Bottle Rocket and Every Blue Moon. So that's another interesting thing about this shoe. I don't think I gave you guys a size either. Where's the size on this thing? This one is a size 8. So if you guys are interested in any of these sneakers or anything that we open up in this box, then go over to untiedhawaii.com. That's where they will be listed for sale, guys. Next shoe out is an Ultra Boost. This one is a size 14. And these are a pair, I believe, of the Arizona State Ultra Boost or something like that. You guys can check this one out. This one is also a dead stock pair. Nothing going on the bottom here. Still factory laced, no sock lint, and very unique design, man. Ultra Boost still one of the most comfortable shoes ever created, in my opinion. So this is another nice one. And I just realized that all 3 of the shoes that we got so far are dead stock. So that is a good sign, guys. Like $5,000 box, you don't want super bad beaters because those are gonna be hard to sell. So this is so far so good. Hopefully it keeps going like this though. Next out is my favorite box, the Jordan 1 box, and it is a size 9.5. And so this one is a pair, nice, of dead stock chameleons. Interesting. It does have like a pearlescent kind of look, so that's pretty dope, man. Dead stock condition for sure, because those translucent bottoms are very, very clean still. Nothing going on over here, and lace bag still attached. Another good pickup right here. So far 4 for 4 on dead stock sneakers too. Next shoe out over here is a WAJ1 Lover XX, size 9. I have no idea what that is. What the heck is this thing, dude? Okay, I have never heard of this in my life. This is so weird. Check this thing out, guys. So this is a I don't know what the heck this is, but you guys can see it's a supposedly Jordan 1. It looks kind of like a women's like heel, I guess, but in Jordan 1 form. I don't like this at all, and I've never heard of this existing. I'm not sure if anybody's gonna buy this because this is a weird sneaker, man. It's tacky to me. I would not wear that if I was a female, dude. Oh, it does look like we have some shoes without boxes here. So this one is in a Foot Locker bag. Okay, and then we have a pair of Y3s over here. So this one is in a size 5.5. You also have that Yohji Yamamoto branding over here on one of the 3 stripes. Also has Y3 branding on the top. Y3s go for a good amount of money. This one does look like it is worn though. A little bit of a hit to value there, but I can see why they put it in the bag now because there is some good value still. No way. Oh man, this one just fell out of a bag. That's crazy. All right, so we got a pair of Galaxy Foamposites in here too, man. This one is fire too. What size we got? 10 Galaxy Foamposite, guys. It's called the Galaxy because it does have like that space stem running across the shoe. It does look like this one is in worn condition. Bottoms though look solid. Upper doesn't look like there's any paint chipping or anything going on. Well, a little bit, I guess, back here, but very minor. I believe that this sneaker is one of the ones that was like released in Florida, I believe, for like an all-star weekend or something. People were going nuts. It is an iconic drop and also just a very iconic shoe. So if you guys are collectors and you guys are sneakerheads, this is definitely one that you want on your grail list. And we just got it in a beater box. So I am super stoked on this. Great value there. Next up, we have an Air Force box. This one is, ooh, a pair of Travis Scott Air Forces. Nice. This one is a size 6. So this one is a sail colorway. It does have like all these extra pins and stuff up here. Also has the removable swoosh that you guys can replace on both sides of the sneaker, and also the upper is made out of like canvas and stuff, so it's a different kind of material than your typical Air Force 1. It looks like it comes with all of the different like swooshes and stuff too. You guys can see over here, it does come with 2 different sets, so another good perk because this will add to the value of the box. That is another good pickup, dude. So far so good. We're getting a lot of heat, a lot of more hype shoes. That is a good sign. Next one out is a Jordan 11 box. This one is a size 9, and if you guys know your Jordan 11s, we should know what this box is because this one should be a pair of Jordan 11 72 and 10. So this one is actually one of the most underrated Jordan 11s in my opinion. Check this thing out. Jordan 11 72 and 10 has that metallic Jumpman on the back. This is the kind of shoe that can match with like a lot of different clothing and stuff, and just a clean aesthetic all around. Definitely like this one. I'm not a big Jordan 11 guy. It's not my sneaker, but this one is one of the ones that I would cop if I was into Jordan 11s. Looks like we have a couple shoes left in here, guys. This one is a pair of Jordan 4 Levi's, it looks like. A little bit different than your standard Jordan 4 box. So these are a pair of Levi Jordans. You guys can tell why they're called Levi Jordans because the entire upper is made out of denim. Has that Levi's tag over here, and just like I mentioned, everything on the upper is made out of denim. And yeah, these things have been rising in value as well. So another good boost to the counter. This is a heavy one right here. Hyper Adapt 1.0 in a size 8. Okay, and so it's just a standard pair of the Hyper Adapts. This one is in that blue kind of cobalt colorway, has that Earl system, and when the shoe is charged, these laces tighten on their own, which is kind of like a unique little thing, but I think it's just one of those gimmicks. And sneaker itself looks like it's in used conditions. Again, I think it is a little bit gimmicky for the Hyper Adapt series. It's cool that sneakers can lace themselves, but I mean at the same time, you can pretty much lace your own sneakers in probably a shorter amount of time than it would be to, like, you know, use the motor on this thing and charge it. Next shoe out is a, you guys know what this is, right? Sean Weatherspoons. So this one is in a size 12. Ooh, this is a very clean pair, guys. So this is the Sean Weatherspoon Air Max. Definitely an iconic shoe. I believe this one was made out in 2017 or 2018, but it was definitely sneaker of the year. So much unique things about this sneaker. It was a fusion of the Air Max 97 and the Air Max 1, all corduroy upper up here. So this one was made by Round 2's Sean Weatherspoon. I think it's a pretty solid sneaker, and in terms of resale value, these things are continuously rising, so this one should be a boost to the counter as well. And so we've actually reached the end of the box, guys, and I saved this one because it does look like it probably will be the money shoe of the box. This one is a off-white box, as you guys can see, a size 11 Air Force 1 Lows, the 10 series. This one is a very clean sneaker. Air Force 1 Low white, the 10 does have that off-white branding over here and that unique upper, barely worn, guys. This looks like a very near dead stock sneaker, and I think because of that, the value on this one will be very high. It does look like it comes with the extra laces and has a zip tie as well, so that's what people look for when they're looking for Air Force 1s. This one does have a very clean box as well, so that is probably the money shoe of the box. And now that we're finally done with the box, I don't know what the final valuation is over here on the counter, but fingers crossed that we got better than that $4,000 box, boom, that we opened up before, which was the previous most expensive box on this channel. As you guys see, I am very happy so far with what I see in this box. Galaxy Foamposites, Levi Jordans, we got the CDG Jordan 1 straps, Off-White Air Force 1 lows. Very, very nice sneakers. And the thing is that a lot of them are dead stock too, so I think that makes it a good box. Like the other box that we got from that other company for $4,000, that was kind of a dud. I actually lost money on that one, but I think for this one, just from what I can see so far, I think I'll actually make money, so that's a good sign, man, because $5,000 is no joke. I was very nervous about this, man. Oh, but I think we came out on top. Anyway, guys, if you guys are interested in any of these shoes, again, you can check it out at untiehawaii.com. And don't forget to enter that giveaway. Shout out to Direct Cakes for co-sponsoring a giveaway where we're going to give you a free sneaker mystery box. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for keeping up with the sneaker mystery box series. Week 26, halfway point of a year. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!